day, everyone. Learn how to increase or decrease the icon size in Samsung phones. Currently, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the steps will remain same for most of the Android phones. So here we will go to settings, and we need to look for anything which says home screen. So here I have got home screen layout app icon badges. So I will click on that. Now here it says app size applied to home and app screen. The moment I use the slider, it becomes bigger. So you can use from here. So I'll just select in the middle one and let's see how big the size is. And here the home screen grid. If you want like this or like this. So here 4x6, 5x6. So I'm using the 5x6 currently, and I'll just click on done. So here once you have increased, now I'll go back and see the icon size has been increased. Now I will go back to make it lesser. I mean in left hand side the size has been decreased. Now I'll make it to the extreme right, and now I'll see, yes, the size of these apps have been increased drastically. So this is how you can increase the icon size in Samsung Galaxy phones. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.